Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to sign out of GitHub. Signing out is important for maintaining your account security, especially when using shared or public devices. So let's get started. First, open the GitHub app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. Again tap on Sign Out to confirm. And that's how you can sign out of GitHub. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.